thing. Ready to deliver mail.
Is that a Jeep?
Willys, isn't it?
No way. Wow. That's cool. Yeah. Is there even an exhaust, or is it just a pipe that goes down? It smells like no cats.
Yeah.
Nice ride. What year is it?
47.
It's a 47?
1947, yeah.
Jeep Willys, eh?
CJ2A, yes.
CJ2A?
Yeah.
Canada Post?
Not really.
That's awesome. What made you make it like these decals? This is pretty...
It kind of looks like an old postal vehicle.
Yeah.
You know, an old American postal vehicle. They didn't have them like this in Canada.
Yeah.
Kind of looks like a little bit. So
that's cool.
I doctored up like that. So.
What motor is in it?
Just a small block Chev.
Small. Oh, it's a small block Chev in there. Okay. So would you say this is? Oh, it's a Jeep Willys with a small block Chev in it, I guess.
That's exactly what it is. Yeah.
Oh, fair enough. Nice PTO and everything.
Yeah, that's fun.
Do you take it to the track? You got some drag radials.
No, it doesn't hook up very good.
No. Fair enough. Is it good?
It's fast enough, but it's scary. It's standard steering, standard
steering?
Yeah.
Everything like, so is it like OEM kind of thing? Is it like from way back when, or is it like all new suspension?
When it was built, the guy, the fellow who built it, a guy named Brian Allen, built it. It's kind of a mishmash of a whole bunch of different parts. So.
Oh, really? Okay.
Yeah.
That's cool.
He did a good job on it, though.
Did you drive it in the wintertime?
No.
No? It could probably handle the winter.
It's only two-wheel drive.
That's it?
Yeah.
It's not a 4x4?
No, it's only two-wheel drive.
Okay. That's cool. Is there two ways to start it? Do you crank it?
No?
No? Whoa. Okay. That's awesome.
It's fun. It's scary, but fun.
Yeah. All right. Oh, there's that guy. It has a Chevy motor in it, eh?
Someone get them going.
There you go.
Look at that thing. Ready to deliver mail.